Hello friends, welcome to the world of Pachypodiums. I am Winston in London, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about Pachypodium lamerei. It's a plant which I've grown and enjoy growing very much. At a time when the weather outside is not so good, I think we here in the temperate zone can enjoy looking at plants which are accustomed to different kind of weather. The Pachypodiums are native to Madagascar and Africa and belong to a Pachypodium family. It's a plant that when young is somewhat spiny, but you can easily handle it with a gloved hand. If your climate is not adequate, you can easily grow it in a greenhouse or an indoor situation. You may even start it off indoors on a windowsill. Generally speaking, Pachypodiums follow the regime of most plants in the family. They start off growing with seeds, which comes from the seed pods, which are produced when the plants are fruiting. Soak the seeds in water for 24 hours and plant them in a very porous soil, and you are well on your way. These plants are very easy to grow if you follow certain rules. Keep them warm when early or when small, and as they grow, decide what is the best climate rules to follow. If you're in a temperate land, I wouldn't suggest you put it out in the ground. That is possible if you live within a tropical setting. If you don't have a major greenhouse or very large greenhouse, you can easily grow it in a pot in a covered area. Either way, you should be able to get the plant growing very well and getting ready to bloom. Let seeds be your first choice, and cuttings you should take much more care and keep it very warm. All in all, it will take some time to bloom, but at the end of it all, you will enjoy the experience. Thank you. I'm Winston.